Hello my dear students. Today I going to discuss the prose Meeting at Night by Robert Browning. Actually, this topic is help you what type of short question will come your upcoming 11 exam. That's why I going to share some short questions. The first question is, what is the color of the sea in Meeting at Night? The answer is, in Meeting at Night, the color of the sea is grey. And the second question is, how does the Browning describe the half moon? The answer is, Browning describes the half moon as yellow, large and low. The next question is, what does the blues part suggest? The blues part suggests the beloved is eager to meet her lover. And next is, why is the voice less loud? The voice is less loud because the situation is highly emotional. And the next question is, what does the expression quench its speed suggest? The expression quench its speed suggests that the lover's desire to meet his beloved will now be fulfilled. And next one is, how long is the sea-scented bees? The sea-scented bees each 1 mile long. And next, how many fields will the poet have to cross before a farmhouse appear? The poet will have to cross 3 fields before a farmhouse appear. And next one is, what does the boat slow down? The boat slow down in the slashy sand at the sea coast. And next one is, what does the speaker do immediately after he reaches the farmhouse? The speaker gives a tap at the pen immediately often he reaches the farmhouse. What does the meaning of the word prow? Prow, prow. The meaning of the word prow is the front of a boat. The front of a boat. The two hearts beating each to each. The quotation line is, the two hearts beating each to each. What does the expression suggest here? The answer is, the expression suggests that the two hearts are locked with each other in perfection union. And the next question is, what does slashy sand mean? The slashy sand means muddy or watery sand of the sea coast. And the next one is, what does the lover walk a mile? The lover walks a mile on the warm sea-scented beach. And next question is, what does the word tap indicate? The word tap indicates that the lover reaches his beloved's farmhouse to meet here. As I gain the cope, what does the expression mean? The expression as I gain the cope mean that the lover arrives at a buy. What does the half moon look large and low? The half moon looks large and low because it is just emerging in the horizon.